Hello friends, in this part we want to talk about the sine function. What is a sine function? If function fx is equal to function sine x, the sine function in mathematics is a function whose value is equal to 1 in inputs greater than 0. If the input of the sine function is equal to 0, the value of the function itself is also equal to 0, and the value of the function in inputs smaller than 0 is equal to -1. If we want to draw the sine function on the coordinate plane, the value of the function in the 0 input is equal to 0. And the value of the sine function in inputs greater than 0 is equal to 1. And also, the value of the sine function in inputs smaller than 0 is equal to -1. Well, now we want to check the sine function if the input of this function is equal to x to the power of 2 minus 4. As we learned from the problem solved above, if the input of the sine function is greater than 0, the value of the function will be equal to 1. Therefore, the value of x to the power of 2 must be greater than 4. Therefore, either the value of x must be greater than 2, or the value of x must be smaller than -2. The value of the sine function is 0 when the input of this function is 0. And when x to the power of 2 minus 4 is equal to 0, when either x is equal to 2 or it is equal to -2. And when the value of the function is equal to -1 when the input is negative. When x to the power of 2 minus 4 is negative, when x to the power of 2 is smaller than 4, that is, x is between 2 and -2. If you want to draw the function, the value of the function in 2 and -2 is 0. And the value of the function in x is greater than 2 and x is smaller than -2 is equal to 1. And also the value of the function will be -1 when the value of x is between 2 and -2.